Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm sorry it's been a little while since I've been online, and I missed last week. I've not been well, actually. I've been sick for a couple of weeks or 3 weeks, and so I've fallen behind with the video production. But back on my feet now. And back on the bike, more importantly. So I'm heading down to see Tom and friends from the AMCA, the Antique Motorcycle Club of America, and specifically the Oregon Trail chapter here in this Portland area. And I've been kindly invited to go down and see some of these guys and see some of Tom's beautiful bikes again. You may remember Tom from a few videos. He came out to the cul-de-sac on his 69 Bonneville, which is beautiful, and he has a lot of lovely Triumphs. He also did the war bike video as well, which was excellent. So I believe the AMCA guys are doing a ride over to Tom's. I'm not sure what kind of bikes they'll be on. Hopefully they'll be antiques, and we'll get to take a quick look at them and then hang out in Tom's garage and drool all over his bikes. I'm hoping to resume normal service soon on the videos on the Bonneville. And I know I left you on a cliffhanger last time. I won't spoil it, but there were a few surprises, and we are back on track now, and I'll explain what happened after I turned that key switch. It was an interesting experience, and I've learned a tremendous amount that I'll share with you as well. But let's just say it's a happy ending that I hope you will enjoy. Yeah, so this is about a 30-minute ride. It's not very far, it just takes longer in the traffic. Today's traffic, it's actually pretty quiet. It's a Saturday morning. It's great to have so many vintage motorcycle clubs in the area. So we've got what I think is probably the original, maybe, the OVM, the Oregon Vintage Motorcyclists Club. And then there's the AMCA. We've also got our Norton Club, the Oregon Norton Enthusiasts Club, and then the VME, the Vintage Motorcycle Enthusiasts Club. And what we're trying to do is, going forward, is have more partnerships and collaborations with our clubs, because we've got fewer and fewer riders and fewer bikes on the road, and so we're trying to form some alliances. Not that we've ever disagreed, there's just been sort of a general evolution of different types of clubs, and sure, I'm looking forward to getting out on some countryside rides this spring when it arrives, although the weather has not been that bad so far. Where are we? Mid to late February, so yeah, still pretty good. Might be the first deer again. Morning.
Hey,
how are you? Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, alright?
You too.
Rig.
Thank you.
Well, here we go. You need some help with that?
No, it's okay.
Oh, that's right. You got the new...
Yeah, this is the Dave Hills tread down stand.
I learned a lot.
How can you tell? Look at it. The rubber bits. I was thinking the bike
on it, and we're going to resurrect it. And he got. It's been British for me. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah.
And Terry
I'm going back.
Which makes it tolerable because you think about it, you get a lot of stuff. Really?
They're hard to find.
Really?
Probably bigger than that, especially the one for their.
Goodies.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of
I would have said 38 or 39, 1940. Probably so.
Yeah, I want to buy one for $20.
It's a done deal. Is Will taking it into riding your bike? I've got pistol on. Oregon's supposed to be a pro-choice.
Oregon
You know, it's
statute
affordable.
that talks about what,
One of these days.
And probably,
You know, the pioneer.
made that look easy.
Oh wow, never saw those before. Well, that was great. That was really enjoyable to meet the AMCA guys. They were very, very friendly and welcoming, and I never need much of an excuse to go and see Tom's beautiful Triumphs. Oh, aren't they wonderful? He's got a few others as well that are another location. Oh, Union Jack. But no, that was magic. Enjoyed it. So thank you guys very much for your hospitality. I really appreciate it. Just heading down to see another friend now. Going down to see Jeff to thank him so much for all his support on the Bonneville, and I'll tell you all about that. Well, this feels great to be riding again. Nice road. Well, I hope you enjoyed these few video clips, guys, and I'll see you again next week. Okay, take care. Hello. Hello.
What is it, Mike?
Perfect.
What?
It's always so much better when you've had a ride. Thank you. My hands aren't working in the cold, it's a bit chilly.